This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making the humble Roti John in two versions, the hawker center version and the classy seafood version. I have here ground beef for the regular John version and a mixture of prawns and crab meat sticks for the Power John or seafood version. This is a long piece of French loaf. I'll cut this in half to about 7 to 8 inches each. Cut a slit into it lengthwise. Instead of French loaf, you may also use hot dog buns instead. Then add half a teaspoon of curry powder, a few dashes of white pepper, and a teaspoon of soy sauce. You can also add in sliced red chillies here if you like it spicy. In a skillet over medium heat, put in 2 tablespoons of oil. Fry sliced onions till it's translucent. Then add in the ground beef. When the beef is no longer pink, arrange the ingredients in the center of the pan, about the shape of the bread. Slowly pour the beaten eggs onto the beef. Let the eggs cook for about a minute till the edges are about set. Place the bread on top of the eggs. Press it down for the bread to absorb some of the eggs. For the Power John or seafood version, we are going to do the same. But instead of beef, use the prawns and the artificial crab meat instead. Press it down for the bread to absorb some of the eggs. Fry the egg for another minute or so till it's almost set. Then tuck in the edges. Fry it till it's golden brown. Flip it over and brown the other side of the bread. To serve, spread lots of mayo, ketchup, and sweet chili sauce onto the egg. These are two versions of Roti John. The hawker center version with the beef and the classy seafood version.